How to set up Monday.com calendar. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can set up Monday.com calendar in your workspace. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply open up Monday.com. Monday.com is world's leading project management software and a CRM. With Monday, we get a lot of different options such as project management, task management, sales and CRM, HR, creative and design, software development, and more. With Monday, we can manage our team and track our projects very easily. When it comes to Monday, we can create a very professional workspace of our own. So today I will show you how you can set up a calendar in monday.com because when we create a workspace, we don't get a calendar. So I will show you how to add it and how we can use it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you have opened up your monday.com, simply sign in and create your workspace or open any workspace where you want to add a calendar to. So I'm going to go ahead and select this workspace, which is my main workspace, and I will simply go to one of my boards. When you open up a board, then this is the board and you can see I don't have a calendar in my board. I need to set up a calendar in my board right here. You get the basic options right here, like we have new topic, invite, integrations, and activity, task, everything. So to add a calendar, what you have to do is you will simply click right here on add view. We have table, dashboard, chart, cards, and files gallery. So you can see right here, I can add as many views as I want to here on my board here. But I want to add a calendar view because I want a calendar on my monday.com and I want to add different tasks according to that calendar. What I will do is I will simply go to apps right here, or you can simply click on more views. When you click on more views, it takes you to views center. And in here, we will be able to find a calendar view. You can see right here, we have all of the views such as timeline, map, chart, and there you go, calendar. View dates from your board in a calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and open in board. When I click right here, a calendar will be added to my monday.com. You can see right here, I have my own calendar. This is how simply you get a calendar on your board. So this is like a view and we can simply go ahead and add any task to any of the different, dates, and I will show you. Another way you can add a calendar is that you can actually integrate your Google Calendar. So this is like the easiest way to add a calendar. It is super easy and you will be able to do so, but by any means you're not able to do this, you can simply go to integrations. And in the integration, you will be able to add any kind of calendar integration to your monday.com. So keep that in mind. Let's say I want to add my Google Calendar, right? So I will simply search for Google Calendar. We have Google Drive, Gmail, and then a Google Calendar. So I can simply go ahead and connect my Google Calendar to my monday.com and it will allow me to add all of my tasks that I have created on Google Calendar to my monday.com. So that is how we can add a Google Calendar. Similarly, there are many other calendar, softwares out there. So if you're using one already, you can integrate that to your monday.com. It's super easy. Don't worry about it. You can simply add any kind of, your calendar. I'm going to go with the simple one that we get on Monday. So now let me show you how you use it. So we have calendar. To add a new task, you simply get this, when I hover over my calendar, I simply get this plus button. Let's say that I want to add a task tomorrow on 27. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this date right here and it will allow me to add a new item. Simply give your item a name. For example, task 1. Then we have to select a board. So I'm going to go with this board right here. Then you simply select a group. Then we have action items, sentiments. I'm going to go with neutral. This depends on what kind of tags and sentiments you have created. Then we have votes option that I created. And then we have created by option. Once you're done with all of the settings, you simply click on create. And a new task is created on your calendar right here. You can see this is my task 1. Now I can simply go ahead and actually drag my widget and place it wherever I want to. You can place it. And then we have more options such as full screen, settings, rename, and duplicate. So you can get a calendar view in full screen if you want to, and this is how it opens up. You can filter your search by person, create a new filter, and save it. To add a new task again, I will simply click right here and I will be able to create a new task on calendar right here on Monday. Then we have other settings such as columns, color by, so you can change the color of the boards and groups. Then we have monthly view. You can go with a weekly view or maybe a daily view as well within your calendar. So when we go with a daily view, we can create our own to-do list on our calendar right here in Monday. Again, I can just simply select a time. Let's add a task for 7 a.m. So I will simply click on add right here. Again, I will give my item a name. There you go. Select other settings, click on create, and a new task will be created right here. So that is how we simply, use this calendar. Again, I can simply actually go to full screen and I'm going to actually change it to monthly view. We can also go ahead and change the name for our calendar if you want to. Like, for example, I can call it maybe test, or we can give different names to our different calendars in each of our board. So this is how I have a calendar view. If I go to main table right here and I have all of these different tasks, let's go ahead and create a few tasks here. For example, I can add a task. Now, if I go to calendar, you will be able to find all of your tasks that you have created right here on your calendar as well. You can see. And again, I can simply integrate any other calendar as well. What's the difference between a view calendar and an integrated calendar? A view that I'm getting. For example, on the main table, I can add a task and that task will be automatically added to my calendar right here. This is a view of my board that I am getting. This is a calendar view. But if I integrate a software, that means that I am actually integrating a full software to my Monday.com, and it can be different than my main table right here. I can create a task in my Google Calendar and it will be added just there, not in my main table. So that is how an integration calendar will work. But this is the basic calendar that you will be able to get for free. And then we can simply go ahead and, change different settings, add tasks, and get a calendar view on Monday.com to get more productive and check our time, get punctual, and meet our deadlines. You can also go ahead and, of course, share your calendar view with someone, this board right here, or if you are integrating any kind of software, you can simply go ahead and add all of the details. You can import all of the events from that software to your Monday as well, from that calendar to your Monday. If I quickly show you that what kind of calendars are available, so you can see right here we have Outlook calendar and Google Calendar as well. So these are the basic ones that everybody has, and you can simply integrate them to your Monday.com and start creating your tasks right now and get more productive. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to set up Monday.com calendar. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.